mukbang tayo. Kasi namatay po yung ano eh.
Right?
Ayun natin
So
mukbang.
what is that plan, Miss Riley? Brett. Sure is. I see. Well then, why don't you get up and rap for us? Let me believe that you got a shot, and I'll give you a seat for the year.
Sige, buong ano na, ano. Okay na yun, no? Basta ka na, no?
Now what's the difference between a student and a teacher? While one of them is growing up, the other is getting weaker. Is the criteria for you to be a keeper? Stalking a hole, sticking with a shooter.
Nanonood pa kami movie sa TV namin.
Get a hit, get a friend, get a life, get a wife, get a mix, and your teeth and looking yellow, get a off-white tint. Never on the road, but I'm on the
Narinig niyo ba?
I see I'm digging at your pride. You think that you got high, that the system is a lie. Wasn't built for me to try. They don't love nobody like me. Diploma gon' define who I am or who I might be. So next time you tempted to pick on me for a laugh, skip the address and just tell me I could get up out your class, bitch.
Sabi ko, ito ah.
Well then, you can give me that phone, and you can go to the office. Let's get back to prevention, please. There is no magic pill to fix it.
Muna ako yun ng tubig.
Sir, what you seen there? I don't know. I didn't see him. He came out of nowhere.
Yan yung na ba ako tubig? Ang hang.
Oh,
Wait lang po guys, wait lang.
you can't.
Wait lang guys ah.
Over? What's going on?
Armed robber, multiple hostages, and negotiate a gateway contact. Pretty sure our scene just became theirs.
Just wrong.
Saw that.
May tubig ko.
We're here to support now.
Wala. Ah. Tayo lang naman nandito eh.
Wait, this is some bullshit,
May tubig ko,
man.
kulay green yung baso.
If it was up to me,
Ang init. Okay lang yan.
Hey, Greg.
Suloy, no? Alam ko si Cardo eh. Umiinom siya dyan.
Ganyan mo. Hindi ka tinatag lang. May oras yan eh. 5 minutes.
Ako ano sa isip mong kapangyarihan?
Hindi ko alam.
Ang talaga guys.
Which kalaban niyo, kumupulch.
Kaya nga sabi na ano, di ba? Kung alam nila napansin na pumasok.
Ayun kasi nasusunod ng tao eh.
Nagkukumupin sa lahat eh.
Di pinansin o dapat Nalo na sa ulo eh. Tambol-tambol pa siya eh. Bago. Sira, mabuti naman sa'yo. Nanood po kasi kami movie. Papahingin po natin kasi kanina pa ito mainit. Ganito na lang po kadami. Ganyan guys. Konti na lang po, no? Pupunta muna tayo. Bye guys!